Hello everyone, my name is Pritish Pawar and today I am going to present my project called Mock Evaluation Management System. So this is a full stack web application developed using React.js, Spring Boot, MySQL, JWT Authentication and AI integration. So this project is under my current going internship in Nexanova and this is my task third. So let's take a quick look on how this project is going to uh, behave, and we have implemented some features here which are beyond the SRS, software requirement specification, which Nexanova provided to us. So let's check it out. So the main purpose of this system is to automate the complete mock interview and evaluation process, including participant management, evaluator assignments, evaluation reports, analytics. We will going to show that in admin dashboard. Then this is an AI powered performance summarizes we have included in our admin panel. In evaluator panel. So we will check this out. The next we have covered the technologies, and for AI integration we have used Llama 3 AI model, which is from Open Router. So the basic project flow is first admin configuration, admin can manage. We will cover that part in presentation. So let's start. Now the system uses JWT based authentication and role based authentication. So different users have different access level. First we have super admin, then admin, evaluator, and passwords are securely stored in the database using hash codes and decryptor. Then let's start with the admin first. So we are going to provide admin credentials to the one main admin, and then he can manage all the work. So admin at the rate, let me take the email from here quickly. So this is the dashboard, and now we can see. Now let's the dashboard provide complete analytics and visual insights using dynamic charts. So we have used React libraries here. Then here we can see batch performance, then technologies, performance, average score, evaluation statistics, and then we can filter here from here to see the data about a specific batch, then reset. And here is an interesting part of this project. The main admin can create the further admins. So let's check this out. So here we have implemented two features, OTP based approval and approval link based approval. Okay. So we have one super admin in our this project. So that super admin, once we have entered the email here, for which we have to create a new admin. So we will enter that particular person's email here. So let me take one email from my email section. So this is already registered, I guess. So let's do one thing. Delete from user where you ID is equal to tab. Okay, so foreign keys are here. So let's first set foreign key checks is equal to 0. Okay, now we can delete, and then again set foreign key checks on. So now we can take this email. Pretty sure. Okay, back. Let's enter the new admin email here. Then first let's check out the OTP based system. Continue. Sending OTP to the super admin. Now we can check here. This is our super admin email. So one email the super admin have received here, and OTP is here. So 725309. 725309. Verify and create. So create link creation is successful. Now we can check on the new admin's email. He have received one email. Seven five. So reset your password. So what basically is happening here? Once the new admin have registered in the system, so he have to first reset his password to set a new password from himself. Otherwise, he cannot be able to log in with his credentials. So let's click on this option. So this page will redirect the new admin to the reset password page. From here, he can set the password of his or her choice. So reset is successful. Now let's try to log in with that email. Now we can see that new admin is registered here, and now he can also perform all the admin tasks. So basically we have created new admin from here. And second one is the approval link feature. When we enter the new admin email here, and once we click on the continue, so super admin will get one approval link. So for example, I have used this 1 minute ago. So okay, so we can check this type of request is sent to the admin approval link. So here the main communication barrier between the super admin and the admin, that barrier we have removed in this particular feature. So once the admin click on the approval admin, so then that particular admin will get registered in our system. So we don't have currently a new email here. So you have get an idea. So let me just use the dummy for now. Okay, dummy user is already exist. Dummy one at the rate. So the message is that waiting for super admin approval. So you can see that admin approved and reset link sent to the new admin's email. So this page is currently under development. So we will develop this in soon. So you can see that waiting for approval message has gone and new admin is created. So let's move ahead. Here in dashboard we are also showing the top performance of our institute, not the institute for which we have created the software. So next module is the dashboard. From here we can add or create new evaluators in our institutes. So currently we are having Rahul Sharma. We can edit that particular evaluator details, and we can also set admin can also set or change the password for that particular evaluator, and we are also having forgot password option here. So the evaluator always don't have to reach to the admin to set or reset his password. So he can also use his email and use that reset password feature directly without the permission of admin. So let's check this out. Enter your email. So currently I'm not having this email, so let's use this one. Send reset link. So reset link has been sent to that particular email. So let's check it out. Emails, lots of tabs are here. So reset password email has been sent to that email, and once we click on this, reset password window will get open, and that particular evaluator or admin can reset his password from this window also. For now, let me close this one. And next we have the batch module. So from here, admin can create new batch. For example, we are having Java backend, start date, end date, and these all validations also are applied on this page. If the another batch the admin is going to add, that particular batch, the same batch name with same batch name is colliding with that particular date, then system will not allow that batch to start with that same date. So let's check batch name and then 2611. So it's January. So you can see the message here, the pop-up batch already exists. Okay. Next we can edit this information, we can deactivate. And next is technology. We can add new technology in our system. So let's try the similar validation rule here also. So technology already exists. Now we can search from here for particular technology. And for batch also we are having some filters here. Date wise you can filter batch with using batch name, then can reset. And for technology we are having a name, then you can edit that particular technology, deactivate it. Next one is participants. Now admin can add new participants from this particular module. Participant name, email, and batch, then technology. So for same batch wise filter we are having tech wise, and the name and email filter is applied on this page. Then we can edit, update that particular student's batch or technology, then we can also deactivate it. So deactivate means we are not completely removing that particular data from our database. We are only marking that particular data's visibility as false. So this will ensure that all data, all the previous data is persistence in our database. So it will never get vanish. All records has been kept for any long period of time. So next we have rounds module. We can create new rounds from here, round name, round number, then for which batch we have to create, then which technology, and then we can search for particular round. Filters we are having batch wise, technology wise. Then for example technical screening, one round, and then batch, technology. Then we can edit this information or we can deactivate. So the overall flow is the admin is going to create evaluator, then batch, technology, add participants, and in round he can create new rounds. And then here is our big main feature, assignment. In this module you can use the already feed members. So for example Amit Kumar, then evaluator name, which who is going to evaluate Amit, then for which round, technical screening, and then technology, Python, then add assignment. And you can check here, Amit Kumar, Priya Verma, technical screening and Python has been added. So we have assigned that particular student to a particular evaluator. So we will see that data on the evaluator dashboard. I will show you. So from here also we can edit this data, then deactivate this data, edit and then deactivate. And then next module is, now this is the whole report, whole system report is going to generated here. So basically the main idea behind this is that all evaluators are going to evaluate students, many students, multiple students that are assigned to that particular evaluator. So admin can see all the data, all the evaluation history here in this panel. So we are having candidate evaluator wise search, then many filters, score wise filter, technology wise, Python, oldest, latest, all technologies. So from here, admin can export this whole report, and then all students report card will get generated and will be downloaded in a PDF format. And the second option is for a particular student we are also having PDF generate action button. So from here, that only that particular student's report will get downloaded. Next, admin can also export this in an Excel file. Then lastly we are having here the report module. So this is the whole analytical type of dashboard. So from here we can filter this full data for a particular batch, for a particular technology in that batch. Now Java is not having in Python batch, so this is not showing data. Now we can see the data is here. For particular rounds also we can filter from here. So let's select for all. Then average score is shown here for every filter. Then total, uh, how much total evaluations has performed. Then who is the top performer and how many are weak students. Then technology performance wise bar graph. Then score distribution, performance and batch. And here we are having leaderboards. So currently we are having this much data in our system, so this is showing only this one. And then we can export this full report also in a PDF format. So you can see here that whole evaluation analytical report has been generated and all the graphs are shown here, then generated date, time, and the leaderboard. Now let's check it out. Let's check out the evaluator dashboard. So we can see that, let's take example of Rahul Sharma. So take a note that we have assigned Rahul Sharma with particular participants. That participants are only going to visible on that Rahul Sharma's dashboard. So let's check it out. Rahul Sharma 1 2 3 4. So this is the evaluator dashboard. In future, many we can add more features on this evaluator dashboard, that mark attendance and create timetable and all. But for this our particular agenda, this dashboard also fulfill all the requirements. So two students currently assigned to the Amit. Okay. So this model shows the whole history that Amit have evaluated that particular Rahul evaluated all the students. That history is going to shown here, and Rahul can also download that particular student report from here. Now here is the main feature of our system where AI is taking the AI is improving that part. So let's evaluate. Click on the evaluate. Now here from here we can select the course for that student. Then if evaluator wants, he can type here that candidate is good in Java but needs improvement in communication. So I'm also improving my communication continuously, so let's check this out. Now he can, without taking the data from AI, the evaluator directly can feed his data, and you can see the message here that AI not generated it. So in final he can add strengths, weakness and plan and click on submit. But if evaluator has have to use the AI feature, so he can also use on by clicking on this button. So AI will automatically generate the whole score we can already reset again. Then you can check that message has been redesigned by the AI, clearly communicate technical ideas to non-technical stakeholders. So this is a free model. So um, there are some limitations, but uh, this model works. This model works for our system. We have tried many times that giving different responses. Sometimes it gives some different response, but sometimes it is more perfect than an human. So that's why we are giving here the editable option for that particular response given by the AI. So suggested AI course is 5 according to the response, and then strengths AI have suggested some strength, weakness and practice plan for that student. Now if evaluator wants to take this response, he can click on apply button, otherwise he can do it manually. So once we click on the apply, all data is gonna feed here, and then he can again have reset to manual option here if he don't want this all things, and he can add extra strengths, good in spring, then he can also remove and then submit. Now evaluation submitted, the student is not visible here anymore and he's in the history. So this is how whole system is going to work. And now let's again log into the admin panel. Let me take this to this side. So in evaluations, you can check the latest evaluation done. Amit Kumar Rahul Sharma for Java. Sorry, yes, Simran Kaur Rahul Sharma React score 5, and the message given by the AI. We can expand this on clicking on it. Clearly communicate technical ideas. This message, date, time, and you can download the report from here. So this is how this whole system works for evaluation. I hope you like this system, and thank you for watching the presentation. I hope you like the project and its features.